Hi everybody. So today's focus is going to be cleaning part of my house that I always forget to clean. At first glance, my kitchen chairs, they don't look dirty. They look normal. They look fine. I wipe them down occasionally, like a quick wipe down as I'm clearing the table. But I haven't really scrubbed them or even looked at them closely to realize how absolutely filthy they are. So now that you've seen the area of my home that I always forget to clean, perhaps you can put in the comment section the area in your home that you forget to clean, so I don't feel like horrible about forgetting to clean things. Okay, so it's really gross. You see the picture there? It's really gross and disgusting. I don't know how I've forgotten to clean these, but whatever, slipped my mind. So today I'm going to clean, well, let's do as many as I can before my shoulder starts to hurt, okay? So I'm going to use my Bissell Handheld Power Steamer, because I think I'm gonna need this to get the sticky goo off part of the chairs. Then I think I'm gonna finish it off with Pinesol. Let's get started. So I think I shouldn't have used the steam cleaner and hard brush on my chairs, because you can see how I scraped along with the steam cleaner. I think I'm going to try to finish the rest with Pinesol. It's probably stupid of me to do that.
I only got 3 chairs done today before my shoulder and my forearm are really sore and need to be iced. But it is what it is. So, what are we gonna make out of all this? All right, so I think the first thing that we can say is my Bissell Handheld Power Steamer. You guys, this cleans so well. I wasn't too happy with the sanitizing tests I done on it in my other review. I'm gonna redo some more of those anyway. But regardless, when it comes to sticky substances, this can't be beat. It removes all sorts of sticky, gooey gunk. However, it also ruined the finish on my kitchen chair. No big deal. They're old chairs. It's not a huge deal. I'm gonna have my 16-year-old, I don't know, refinish it, varnish it, do something with it. It'll be a project for him. So I think next time, if I have a real sticky spot, I'll take that off and just shoot the steam at it from a distance to wipe away any sticky goo. But I most certainly will not use it with this brush on a chair again. So as I started to notice the steamer, like taking off the finish on my chair, I did switch to Pinesol, which did a great job at continuing to remove dirt, so that was good. Chair number 2, I tested just white vinegar, and I was impressed. It worked fine. It worked well. I can't scrub very hard, and this is a problem that I have with my shoulder and my forearm problems. So that's why I often like to use the steamer, because it seems to, because it takes away my need to scrub. I can just spray and then wipe. But when I'm using other cleaners, I have to keep scrubbing and scrubbing, and that motion is just killer for my arm. But if I can put away my pain in my arm, the vinegar did a fine job. It took away lots of gunk, lots of guck, lots of goo. I think it did a good job. And then for my 3rd chair, I just tried good old Clorox wipes. These are super convenient, right? Like, you just take a wipe out, you got the cleaner on it, scrub-a-dub-dub, works well. And the Clorox wipe did a really great job also. So I didn't really have any huge duds when it came to what I chose to clean those chairs with. The only mishap was that I chose, really bad judgment, this hard brush to use on my chair. So there weren't any standouts that were absolutely horrendous and I'll never use again. They all worked well. And you all got to see the part of my home that I always forget to clean. So thank you for watching. Please remember to give me that thumbs up and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have any suggestions for different videos or things that you want to see me clean or test out, put it in the comments section. I love to read the comments. Other than that,
Have yourselves a great day.